My kids have been asking for a pickleball court, and while I don't have quite enough space for that, I am making an outline for them on the back porch. I'm using Alpha Grip striping paint in pickleball blue. For a full court, you would need about a gallon, as well as a gallon of SlipDoctors Primer. The total cost will be under $200. I've gathered my supplies here, and to prep, we swept and power washed the area last night so it would be dry this morning. We're going to carefully measure and mark all of our lines before we start taping here. Make sure you really press the tape down to help get those nice clean lines. Once all the tape is down, it's time to prep the paint. We're going to take the can and really shake it up. Now we're going to open it. We're going to get a stir stick and stir it up. It is very thick and textured paint. And now it's time to get a brush and start painting. It goes on very nicely for how thick it is. You can already see the texture. The paint dries very quickly. It's only been about 15 minutes and it's time to do a second coat. It's been about 1.5 hours. The court is totally dry. It's time to pull the tape off. I did call in a professional for this part because I want the lines to be very crisp. Now, look how clean this line is coming out. She's doing a great job. The court is done. It is time to play pickleball.